Welcome to the presentation of board control. Grecon board control is a system for non-contact laboratory cut measurement. In this video we will show you what board control can do for you and which improvements will result for you. Why laboratory cut measurement? Quality inspection in the laboratory is about determining and documenting decisive product parameters. Appropriate machines or laboratory equipment are used to test the requirements for wood-based materials described in the various test standards regarding bending strength, internal bond and swelling. For the important control of formaldehyde emission, analysis systems such as the GA6000 and SimpleLab are used. The density profile is measured very simply and highly accurately with the density profiler. In addition to these quality criteria, important information of further parameters such as moisture, thickness and weight per unit area, as well as the density determined from them, must be determined. Board control consists of up to 3 measuring sensors: an X-ray unit for measuring the weight per unit area and a pair of laser measuring heads for measuring the board thickness. Optionally, the system can be extended by a measuring head for determining the moisture content of the lab cut. The measuring sensors are mounted on a stable aluminum frame construction. So how does board control work? The procedure is very simple for the operator. The operator only needs to place a laboratory cut in the measuring carriage. After entering the measuring parameters or calling up the recipe data, the measurement is started. From now on, the measurement of thickness, weight per unit area and optionally moisture is carried out fully automatically. The sample is guided through the measuring sensors in the measuring carriage. The calculation of the analysis data derived from the measurement data is done automatically. After less than 2 minutes, the complete measurement and logging of the laboratory cut is completed. A great advantage of board control is that the laboratory cut can be measured as a whole. Together with the enormous time saving by a factor of 15, this circumstance makes it possible to determine the thickness change during the cooling of the boards. For this purpose, the board sample is measured again several times at freely determinable time intervals. Board control automatically shows the change in board thickness over the cooling process in the software. Board control can be connected to Grecon Lab Center for the automatic summary of all laboratory data. Here, the data of all connected laboratory systems is collected, processed into meaningful statistics and output in reports. The convincing advantages of board control are that no manual measurement is necessary with the system and that the production staff can carry out the test independently at any time without being dependent on the laboratory staff. Above all, you get operator-independent and thus objective and reproducible measurement results. Another decisive advantage is the enormous time saving due to the elimination of sample preparation and data acquisition. This is because all data on thickness, weight per unit area and moisture is measured and recorded in one measuring process and exported if desired. This gives you a quick influence for optimizing the board properties. Board control also allows you to analyze the change in thickness during cooling of the boards. The available data can be merged with other process data and used for statistical evaluations and quality control. For this purpose, board control can be connected to Grecon Lab Center, the central reporting and statistics program. Apart from the methodical safety gained, the most important advantage of board control is a great time saving. Here, the user can save money. The following example calculation makes this clear. Let us assume that 8 laboratory cut measurements are carried out a day. With the sample preparation being no longer necessary and the moisture measurement being considerably faster, about 2 hours can be saved for each test. That is 16 hours per day. With 330 test days, this corresponds to about 5,280 working hours per year. If one converts the time saved into a financial equivalent, it can be seen that board control pays off in less than 1 year. With this film, we have given you an insight into the world of automated laboratory cut measurement and product data evaluation. We look forward to your inquiry about the integration of board control into your laboratory. If you have any questions or requests, please contact us. We would be pleased to receive your mail or your phone call.